Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over adding and subtracting polynomials. We'll probably go over a couple examples of each type. So follow along here. If you need to, write it down as you're going. Our first question is an addition problem. I'm going to start by screenshotting this, and then I'm going to add those two polynomials together. So, since I'm just adding, the parentheses are really unnecessary. I'm just going to ignore them, and I'm going to put the terms, the like terms, together. A negative 10x squared and an 8x squared makes a negative 2x squared. So I'm going to put that down in this box here, negative 2x squared. And then my x term, so the one without an exponent, this is the only one I have. I don't have anything else to combine with it. So that's going to make negative 5x. And then my constant terms, I'll put two underlines underneath them. We got a 9 and a 7. Together they're going to make 16. So that's what I need to type in. And do be careful. Make sure you type it in exactly how you have it. If not, then it will count it wrong. Even if you miss a variable or miss a sign, it'll count it wrong. So double check it as you're entering it. And once you're confident, hit enter twice. Boom. Got it right. Okay, find the sum. So we're finding the sum again, just combining like terms really. Okay, so when I look at my x squared terms, 6x squared and negative 5x squared, if I put those together, that's just going to be a 1x squared. Let's look at the x terms. 10x and negative 2x. 10 and negative 2 make 8. So 8x. And then negative 1 and 1 eliminate each other. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So it looks like that's all we're left with. All right, let's skip this one. Let's go to a subtraction one. So here we go. Here's a subtraction one. You can see that minus sign in between the parentheses. So on this one, this was like when we had the minus region when we did our algebra tiles in our expression maths, right? So we talked about how that minus region really just means to distribute that negative sign, okay? And make sure you distribute it to everything. So I'm going to distribute this negative to everything back here. I like to just rewrite the problem. 4x squared plus 9x minus 7. And then when I do a negative 7x, that is a positive 7x squared. And then a minus 5x and a plus 1. So now I'm just looking at that expression that I wrote down and I'm simplifying it. So I have 7x squared and 4x squared. That makes 11x squared. Then I have the 9x and the negative 5x. That'll make 4x. And then my constant terms are negative 7 and 1, and that's going to make negative 6. Okay, so let me type that in. 11x squared plus 4x minus 6. There we go. This will be our last example that we do. So in this example, it says we're taking negative 9x minus 7 and we're subtracting it from 8x squared minus 5x plus 9. So watch how I write this out. The way that it's worded, it's actually backwards. Since we're subtracting this from the 8x squared minus 5x plus 9, I need to write that actually first. 8x squared minus 5x plus 9. That's going to come first. And I'm subtracting the other polynomial, which is negative 9x minus 7. Okay, so just like that, I'm going to distribute this negative sign to both of my terms. I've got 8x squared minus 5x plus 9. And then that's going to make this a positive 9x when I distribute, and a positive 7 after distributing. Okay, now let's combine our like terms. No other x squared terms, so 8x squared. Our x terms We have negative 5x and 9x. Together that's going to make 4x. And then we have 9 and 7. That's going to make 16. All right, so that's what I'm going to type in. Let's check it and see. 8x squared plus 4x plus 16. Enter, enter. And there we go. Okay, hopefully you find this video helpful. Let me know if you've got any other questions. What I want you guys to do is you're going to be working on the delta math for, let's go 30 minutes. Some of you guys will get to 100% in that time. Others will struggle throughout. So today we're going to just do a timer. Okay, so just work on it for 30 minutes and then we'll call that good. Thanks for watching.